Hello, beautiful moms, and welcome. Sparkling heart emoji. If you're new to using a breast pump, this quick and easy guide is just for you. Let's walk through everything you need to know, step by step. Step 1. Get ready. First, wash your hands thoroughly. Make sure all parts of your breast pump are clean and sterilized. Then, find a quiet, comfortable spot to sit and relax. Step 2. Assembling the pump. Now, assemble your breast pump according to the instructions. Place the breast shield, also called a flange, right at the center of your nipple. It should feel snug, but not painful. Step 3. Start pumping. Begin with a low suction setting to help your body adjust. Once you're comfortable, slowly increase the suction to a level that feels natural, not painful. Pump for about 15 to 20 minutes on each side. Step 4. Storing milk. Once you're done, carefully pour the milk into a clean storage bottle or milk bag. Label it with the date and time. Store it in the fridge for up to 4 days, or in the freezer for up to 6 months. Helpful tips: remember to stay calm, relaxed, and drink plenty of water. Don't worry if your milk flow is low at first, consistency is key. And always clean your pump parts after each use.